Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a really nice machine we just got in stock. We've gone through it, made sure everything's working on it. It's a fully automatic Marvel bandsaw, 13 inches by 14 inches, meaning a 13-inch height, 14 inches length. That's your rectangle, very heavy duty, hitch feed style bandsaw. So when I say hitch feed and automatic, we're going to explain what that means when we go through this a little bit. You can see the difference between that and maybe a roller feed style. There's a lot of different styles that have different types of feed systems that are going to be for different materials. So let's walk through that. Right now we have it set up. It's going to do an automatic cut right down here. If you come close, you can see this is where we set our length of cut. Just simply turn that. Right now it's at 4.5 inches. Now you can extend that to the maximum length of the feed, and then you can use the multiple index feature here, meaning it's going to allow you to do multiple times whatever you've set into that. It's going to calculate that and count that down. So if you have a long bar that's 20 feet long and you need to cut in, 18-inch pieces or 25-inch or 40-inch pieces, you can set that up in here as a 220-inch piece move. It'll set that 40 inches and it'll cut it until it runs out of the stock. Really nice feature to have if you're doing a lot of the same thing. Really easy and quick to set up. All you really do is just change that, set your timer here for how many pieces you're going to be cutting, and we go ahead and hit our blade start. And we've got it in the automatic cycle. You can use it in manual mode as well. So if you did walk up here and you just had something that you needed to cut, just one quick cut, you put it right in manual, open and close all the vices, and just keep moving on. So right now we have it in an auto cycle. We're going to start our blade. It's going to automatically come right down. This is a stop that's letting it know where the stock is. As soon as it feels that, we're going to go ahead and cut through it. Now technically we would be making our trim cut right now to make sure we get exactly that 4.5-inch mark. But you'll see right now what's going to happen to the next thing. It's going to go ahead and move our material by moving that rear hitch feed, clamping, advancing the material, and now it's going to cut. Now you'll notice that rear feed again is going to its next position to get set for the next move. It's going to clamp, having everything ready in position now, and it's going to make a cut. Now you can change your feed, your speeds, your blades, your coolant. There's a lot of different factors that go into the best cut. But now you can see our second move, another 4.5 inches. The hitch feed's now moving back. The front vices are holding onto the piece. The rear piece, now once it's set into that 4.5 inch, is clamped again. You see that right here from the front. Of course, we're just cutting wood to make it easy for us here, but it's a metal cutting bandsaw. You can cut just about anything depending on your blade speeds and different blades that you're going to be putting on there. Now Marvel's a really good bandsaw. They've been around a really long time. They have great service. Here's another Marvel. This is actually a vertical bandsaw. So this one has an automatic feed as well. Right here the feed comes in and out. It's a little bit smaller pieces, has a tilt. You'll see we're still cutting here. Here's our next automatic move. And again, it can do this all day, day in, day out. Now we have different models here. These are used saws. Here's another used saw that we just went through. This is a hide mech saw, a little bit larger capacity, but going to be the same idea. If you walk around the back here, you can see the hitch feed on this machine. Big and heavy duty, robust machine. A lot larger material on this one. Now we can line these guys up. They're all going to be perfect to do this all day. Once we get this over with, we'll stop our cycle. Now we can set it to cut a specific amount of cuts. I just have it running so we can show our demonstration here. But you can see everything's running really well. You can change the speeds on your machine, your different feed speeds coming down. Great running machine. Now, if this is the type of machine you're looking for, if you need something larger or smaller, we do carry a lot of different machines here at Sterling Machinery Exchange. You can see this hide mech. This is a tilting saw, so this is going to tilt your frame. You'll be able to do miter cutting on this one. This will be a 90-degree. You've got another nice saw over here. This is just a basic manual. You're going to be lifting this yourself, letting gravity come down with the hydraulic hold down. Just simple cuts. So you have the whole gamut of here of vertical, horizontal, tilt frame, lots of different brands. Let us know if you're trying to sell something as well. We'd love to buy and trade with you. Give us a call, 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.